should you sell your Reliance Industries? This is a question people who are holding Reliance Industries, they are asking now. Is it a good time to sell Reliance Industries, or is it a good time to buy more of Reliance Industries? Is Jio going to take it up, or will the lowering of the prices continuously erode the profits away? So these are some questions about Reliance Industries. I'll be talking tonight, 9 to 11. I'll also be discussing a few expensive stocks where profit booking might start soon. On the other end, we will also discuss the airline stocks in which big crashes have happened, and especially I will be talking about Jet Airways. Is it a good time to accumulate it, or does it have a chance of becoming a kingfisher? To attend tonight's webinar, 9 to 11, click below in the content on the link, and you can get answers to these and much more. See you at 9 o'clock tonight.